whiskey bronze turbo down in there. Jeez, look at how good that sucker looks.
So this guy goes up here, about like so.
I just blanked. Joe, I'm bad at this tonight.
Well, look at the beautiful illusion blueberry I have. And just looks so good. What a color rush we got going on in here. Oh yeah, here we go. Got Javier's truck out here on them 6s, boy. Look at it go. And the Razor that's for sale. You guys already know. Get that XP out of here, man. We need it gone. This sucker is so dang massive. Every dang time that Platinum 450, boy, on the KG1 floaters, it never ever gets old, boy, does it? Sucker is so big. That's a tow rig right there, boy. All right, guys, we are back with another HSP video. These guys are absolutely incredible. Look at the beautiful illusion blueberry I have in my LML, but today we are going to be getting inside, well, not this one, but Jake's, and we are going to be doing a upper coolant tube on a 6.7 Powerstroke. So if you have a stock engine bay, something like this, and you are looking to upgrade, make sure you get to HSP. They've got all the great upgrades that you're gonna need for your truck. So get on their website, check them out, follow them on the gram, guys. Super hot out here, but freaking loving it, guys. So yeah, let's get into the video. All right, so now here we are, guys, back with another HSP unboxing that's already been unboxed, but what do we got in this one?
This one be the upper coolant hose.
Look at that, boy. And that is that whiskey bronze color that we've been going with on your truck. Show me, where's this sucker go in there?
So this guy goes up here, about like so.
This is for them Ford boys here. So if you want a nice, beautiful looking upper coolant pipe, this is what you're gonna get from HSP. The whiskey bronze is the theme.
Yep.
And we have coming in the other video, we will have the air intake on.
Oh yeah.
Maybe later in this one, I'm not sure, filming out at sequence here. But there is some of the stuff that goes with it. Explain this to me now.
So this guy adapts the upper coolant hose here. You just take the plastic one off and put their metal one on.
Oh, so a little upgrade.
Yep.
Yeah.
And then this guy comes off here, and then you use their other end, and then you can clip the hose right to it.
Perfect. So he's going to take you guys through. I'm going to pass the camera over to him for this install. He'll give you guys pointers and updates along the way, and then we'll catch up with you guys after once everything's installed. And yeah, HSP for the win, baby. They're coming through again. Like I told you guys in the other video, if you haven't seen it, I got a whole playlist now of our HSP stuff. So after this one, if you think, man, I want to see what else HSP has, or I have a Duramax and I want some of their stuff, get on there, check it out, and keep hitting that like button and stuff, so maybe we can get a Cummins on here. You know anybody with a Cummins?
I don't.
Yeah, we're going to find one.
What about Colton?
We're going to do, oh my gosh.
What about Colton?
You need some? Come on down, baby. He'll be back.
Oh yeah.
All right, let's go.
All right, back today to put the upper coolant hose in to match the HSP airbox we did a couple videos ago. So, start by draining your coolant, taking the hose off, and then we got a new thermostat housing to go with. They send you with it. It's still sitting here on the passenger seat. I guess passenger floorboard, but they send you this really nice billet aluminum one. And then they send you a adapter for your radiator as well. So, all right, got coolant majority of the way drained out. And I just went ahead and got the clips pulled up there. And there's one down there. You can kind of see it. It's kind of a pain because it's bright out. All right, apparently that one's gonna fight me. But this guy. All right, I'm gonna set the camera down because they're both gonna fight me. Get onto a little bit more stable ground. That one pops off. And this one will pop off. You will lose a little bit of coolant, but not a whole lot. This clip can stay with this pipe. You need to keep this one for the HSP part, and I'll show you how to change. Junk. Now you take that clip I told you to save from the last guy, shove it right on through, make sure you get it in both, and it'll snap right on there. Next up, you're going to take the 3 bolts and this thermostat housing out, and we swap it out with the other one. So I'm gonna take this one off real quick and we'll go from there. So the torque on these are 89 inch-pounds. I went ahead and went to, which is like 7.4 foot-pounds. I take it to 8 just because I am reusing my gasket. Should have brought home a swivel. If you have one, I recommend using it for this front bolt. Goes on here. I'm gonna grab a little bit of oil or something to help me push this on because these seals are mighty tight. So I'm gonna do that real quick and I'll show you back when it's on. I just blanked. Joe, I'm bad at this tonight. That's a really tight fit, but I got it on. It is cut to fit your radiator, so just keep that in mind. Use a little bit of clean engine oil, got her put on. Now I'm gonna put one boot on that side, one boot on this side, or I'll probably put one boot here, one boot on the pipe, slip the pipe on and put it on the radiator. But you'll see how I do it here. It'll be whatever way and I'll let you know. All right, we got her all buttoned up, clamps tightened up. All I gotta do is put coolant back in it now and go from there. But look at the color match. Can't see the turbo, but it's down there too. They all match. Thank you again to HSP. You guys were awesome. Make an amazing product, and I cannot say thank you enough.
And voila, guys, there she is yet again, all finished up. Look at how good it looks out here in the natural lighting. And of course, I have to match it to the air intake that we did in the other video that looks so good. And I can even see the Whiskey Bronze Turbo down in there. Jeez, look at how good that sucker looks. So now we are really getting decked out on this Whiskey Bronze theme on the 6.7 Powerstroke here. This thing looks so good. What do you guys think? How did he do? Look at the boots, look at the clamps and the orientation of the clamps for easy serviceability. Got them facing up, got them nice and tight. Look at that boy, he knows what he's doing. But yeah, that sucker looked real easy. Just had the housing on there to get that clipped on. Also on the other side, let's see. See if I can get down in there so you guys can see that side where it connects down in there. Nice and simply. And just looks so good. What a color rush we got going on in here. Absolutely incredible, easy. Just make sure you get some extra coolant because you are going to leak it. And make sure to let the engine cool down because you will get burnt. I've done it before where I tried to do mine when it was warm. On my LML, on the L5P, I waited for it to cool down. But yeah, these things get really hot and you're going to need some more to put back in after the fact. But what do you guys think? Hopefully you guys love it because we do. All right, guys, so that will do it for this video. Big shout out again to HSP Diesel, guys. Get on there, check them out, make sure they get a fit for your truck. Everything you're gonna want is on their site. Thanks to Jake again. Again, go back and follow some of our other series that we've done with HSP as well as on this truck and all the other content we got. Leave some comments down below of some tips and tricks if you guys have done this, or ask questions if you want to be answered here. We'll put them down below, and take care of you guys. Again, we're just happy to be out here. Can't thank you enough. Loving the channel, loving the vision. We got a ton of cool things we've been hiding for quite some time now that are going to be revealed here in the coming weeks. So please stick around if you're new, and we'll see you guys in the next one. God bless y'all. Peace.